National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cattaraugus County until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles west of Salamanca, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Salamanca and Allegheny State Park around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Vandalia, Carrollton, East Randolph, Ellicottville, Steenburg, Kilbuck, Naupley, Little Valley, Great Valley, and Randolph. This includes Interstate 86 between exits 16 and 21. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.